Hi everyone, and welcome to Blue Sky Nail Secrets. I'm your global ambassador, Anne Almbanis, and today I'm going to make you shine in your selfies and videos with our Sparkle Chic Collection. What I love in this collection is the super shiny results that you get with flash photography and video. Perfect if you want to stand out in your Instagram and TikTok feeds. Gel polish gives a full coverage even with one layer, but for perfect results, try 2 layers. Let's start the application. It's just as easy as using a gel color. Use your BLUESKY Nail File to file the edge of your nails to your desired shape. Buff your nails gently with your BLUESKY Nail Buffer. Use BLUESKY Cleanser Wipes to clean any oils and dust from your nails. Apply a thin layer of BLUESKY Base Coat, capping the edges of the nails. Apply a thin layer of your chosen Sparkle Chic gel, capping the edges of the nails. Repeat step 5 to create a full and rich effect. Apply a thin layer of BLUESKY No Wipe Top Coat, evenly capping the free edge. Finish with applying BLUESKY Cuticle Oil to keep your nails hydrated. And that's it! Shine bright and make your statement. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to contact your local BLUESKY distributor. Follow us on our social media. We are always happy to read your comments, and don't forget to use our hashtag @BlueskyGlobal. See you soon.